Need to share customer locations with your team securely? In this quick tutorial, learn how to export or share customer maps using MAPOG in just minutes. First, let's export a customer map. Log into story.mapog.com and open your customer map. Click the three dots next to your customer layer. Select Export Layer from the menu. Select the layer you want to download. Select your export format, CSV for spreadsheets, GeoJSON for web apps, or KML for Google Earth. Click Download. Your file is ready in seconds. Now you can use this data offline or integrate it with other tools. Want real-time collaboration instead? Let's share your map with permission controls. Click on Preview and Share in the left panel. Choose Visibility, private for invite-only access, or public for anyone with a link. For public maps, click Share Link to generate a URL you can send anywhere. Or click Share Embedded Map to add this interactive map directly to your website. For private maps with controlled access, click Add User, then Add Member. Enter email addresses and assign an initial role, admin for full control, or others for general access. Then select their email and assign specific permissions. Viewer, see data only. Editor, update and modify. Admin, full control. Click Invite to send secure access. Team members receive a link with their assigned permissions. This works across industries. Real estate agents export property zones and share listing maps privately with teams. Logistics managers export routes for GPS and share coverage maps with drivers. Retail teams export customer data and share performance maps with regional managers. Export or share customer maps securely with MAPOG. Start mapping today at story.mapog.com. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, analyzing maps, creating maps, or GIS consultancy, you can write to us at support@mapog.com anytime.